Hello, NeXT community. Hey, I just wanted to show you guys I am really getting the printer dialed in. I mean, these two are really amazing. They're like keychains, I'm thinking. And this is glow in the dark. I think I could actually sell those. I mean, these are cool, but this is next level. I mean, that's actually, if you zoom in on it, I might even be able to use those for cube logos. I've been using these, which are pretty dang close. The letters are a little raised on them. And I've got it dialed in down here. But I mean, this is nice, smooth, kind of like the original. What do you think? Stay tuned, more fun stuff to come from the black hole.